dinner has arrived. Yeah, Vietnamese banh pancakes. I think they got prawns on them. Seafood banh chao. What you do is it's like a wrap. You break off pieces of this, you put it into your wrap, and you put the vegetables in there, and then you dip into the sauce. That's the sauce. So this is a very typical Vietnamese food. And we bought it from this seaside restaurant here, the banh chao restaurant. Okay. She will show how to eat this. It's pretty straightforward. It's like a taco. You take the soft shell and you fill it with vegetables. Got shredded mango, cucumbers, lettuce. Looks like some mint. There you go, that's one roll there. You can eat this one.
For you.
No, just show. Just eat this one first, so I can show. So that's into the chili fish sauce, chili and garlic fish sauce, and that's it. Very simple. She's on the phone at the moment to her mother, I assume.
Mẹ con Sam này.
How is it?
Fresh fruit.
Is it very spicy?
No, not spicy.
Okay, it's not spicy. So if you're wondering, this is rice paper. Rice paper, chili garlic fish sauce, Vietnamese seafood pancakes, and your cucumber, lettuce, young mangoes, maybe young bananas, and some herbs and maybe some parsley. That's it. Bob's your uncle. Okay. I'm gonna go eat dinner now. I haven't ate today. This will be my first meal at like 7. What's the time now? It's 7:30, and this is my first meal today.
You try to have to sit back.
I-
Eat one meal in a day or sit back.
I want to lose weight because my stomach is fat. I have a fat stomach.
Lắm nia gì chị?
So
Hả?
there's 4 in here. So do you order 2 or 4?
4.
Oh, you order 4. Okay. And you order snails as well.
Dạ, dạ.
Okay, so we're waiting for snails because you really love snails. Yes, she's a big fan of snails. She loves snails. That looks like snails takes a long time to cook, and this restaurant is famous for the banh xiao. That's the banh xiao. So the banh xiao cooks very quickly.
Bò here.
You can see slices of mango, cucumber, lettuce, parsley. Put some pancake in there. That's it. Does it have squid in here?
Yes, squid here.
Okay.
Yeah, too.
So
Yeah.
that's squid.
But actually squid fresh too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
It's near the beach, like.
it's got squid and prawns. You see? That's prawns. That's squid. And that's prawns. Okay, I'm gonna eat now. No more filming. I'm gone.